So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add gallery in Duda website. So the first thing you want to do is to open one of the sites you're creating or just open the website builder. So let's do that. So from here, it's going to look something like this. So from there, you can see some pages that you have. So this is the home page of the website. On the left, you can see some stuff like layers, theme, then you can see pages as well as adding widgets through here. You can see media, then content, personalize, settings, and learn. So through here, in order to add a gallery, you could go through media, and you can add images on there like that, and you can even go through free media also. But I suggest you go to widgets, and on there you can see some stuff like accordion, text, image, map, click to call icon, and you can see underneath the option photo gallery. If you want to make it something a bit more stylistic, you can use the media slider, but if you go to photo gallery, you can add it wherever you want. So let's add it right about here, and you can see right now it's being set up. And through there you can add image. You can even connect it to Instagram, so people can maybe look at someone's Instagram or your business Instagram, so they can get a better sense of how you do your business and how that looks. And you can add images through here through the file explorer. So that's about it. So you can see here, enable links on gallery images. You can do that as well, so people can click on that and then see the image from the original website. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Duda website or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.